Okay, let's go on with Ielts speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Do you work or study? What do you do?
I just cleared my secondary education. Now I am planning to continue my rest of the study in a foreign country.
Okay, where would you like to go to? Which country?
I have no separate choice, and there are too many places which I want to go to study, like Canada, Australia, and the other English countries.
Okay, why do you prefer to go to English countries?
Because after my native language, English is easy language. That's why I chose this.
All right, do you like English people?
Absolutely, because I want to go to English countries, so I need to like those people.
Okay, what do you like most about English people?
There are lots of qualities like
Beautiful.
beautiful,
Dutiful, I said, dutiful.
duty.
Yeah, you come on. What are you
Okay,
looking at?
I like both dutiful.
Beautifulness and dutifulness.
Yes.
Okay. Why? Fair complexion. Okay. All right. Let's come back. What is your favorite food?
Uh, I like lots of food, but the most favorite is Wakas Biryani, which is located in Mall Road of
On Mall Road.
on Mall Road.
Mobile number.
No,
Full publicity we do. Okay. Okay. So, all right. Why do you like such type of food?
because I am from background area where this type of stuff
Backward area.
backward area where this type of stuff is not easily available, so that's why I like these type of foods.
Okay. Do you prefer to eat at home or at the restaurant?
Well, it depends on my mood. When I feel the need, then I go outside with my friend, otherwise I will happy in my home.
I'm happy to be home. No,
I
but you need
happy
to
to.
connect it with food. I prefer
Yes,
to have homemade food. I prefer
home.
to eat homemade food. Okay, do you listen to music?
A lot of music, because when I was in the college, I also get some classes of music classes, so that's why I love to listen music.
All right. Why do you like English people?
I already explained they are dutiful.
Aha, that's why you like them.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Overall, good. Just try to speed up a little. Speed
Yes.
up means be more fluent and
Yes, sir.
practice all the topics so that you speak fluently. Okay, but overall, good. Some answers were short. Try to add some more to your answers. Okay, next
Thank.
one, please. That's okay, man. He's gonna go home now. Roti khani bhook lagi. Okay, so let's start. Yeah, you don't know him. Let's start. Do you work or study?
So, I'm a student of
Will you
chartered
speak in the
accountancy.
mic, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm a student of chartered accountancy CA, and also I have a small business of my own.
Okay, that's good. Let's go on. What's your favorite type of dress? Clothing.
I think it depends upon the situation and my mood. I prefer formal dresses and uh, our desi dresses as well.
Local dresses,
Local
traditional
dresses.
dresses.
It is because formal dresses are show so much.
See that you have just got stuck into something
Mm,
where you cannot elaborate further. So keep your answer simple and easy.
mm,
Right? What's your favorite dress? I love to wear jeans t-shirt.
mm,
I feel very comfortable whenever I wear jeans t-shirt, and this type of dress is very common among young people in my country. So
mm,
to answer your question, I always enjoy wearing jeans t-shirt. That's it.
mm.
Okay, keep your answer simple. Don't come up with complex ideas, then your language will not support you.
Sure.
Okay, how often do you go for shopping?
Well, I'm not shopping. I'm not that person who loves shopping, but I prefer to stay at home. And I don't know if it is funny, but my mother does my shopping for me.
Okay, listen, you need to give clear answer. You should be clear about it. Okay, how often do you go for shopping? Well, I don't know. because I don't like shopping quite a lot. Most of the things my mother or my father they buy for me, and I hardly ever go for shopping. Something like that. But answer should be sure and confident,
Specific.
not like आपका नाम क्या है पता नहीं. Okay, so शर्माना नहीं है
Okay.
दुल्हन की तरह, right? You just need to give proper answers confidently and A to Z, right? Let's go on. Okay, what type of weather do you like?
I prefer cold weather, winters,
Why?
because it is comfortable and it is not sweaty all the time, um, as compared to summer, which is all the time sunny and
Okay, what type of food do you like to eat during winter months?
during winter months. In general, I am a spice lover, so I eat spice a lot. But in winter, I love dry fruits, which is very common in winter, and is available all the time.
All right, thank you so very much. Take good care of yourself, Papa. Okay.
Am I speaking that?
God,
low?
you need to, yeah, you need to speak loudly, actively, and all that. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Next one, please. Okay, let's start. Do you like ice cream?
I love eating ice cream because it's a creamy dessert.
See, his voice is good, and I was thinking my mic is out of order, so it was you. Yes, please start again. Do you like to eat ice cream?
Yes, I love eating ice cream because it's a delicious dessert. It's very creamy. When I eat it, I feel very comfortable. I enjoy very much when I eat ice cream.
All right. What's your favorite flavor?
Well, my favorite flavor is kulfa because when we eat ice cream, I feel the crunchiness of the
I can
nuts.
also feel that. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The way you are feeling, I'm also feeling crunchiness of ice cream.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Sir, when I eat ice cream, I love to have nuts, almonds. When it came into bite, I enjoy a lot.
okay, why do children like to eat ice cream?
Because it's like a very delicious dessert. So, they like it because it's very delicious.
Now you need to give more reason. Why do children like to eat ice cream? Children
Because-
love to eat ice cream because it is something sweet. Children usually like chocolate, and there are many ice creams which are topped with chocolate. So I think because of sweetness, children love to eat ice. Something like
Yes.
that. Okay. All right. Let's go on. Do you prefer to eat ice cream after a meal?
I preferred eating ice cream after a while, after meal, for around about 10 minutes after, because when we eat, we must give a little bit time, settle down, and then eat ice cream. We can
With
enjoy.
time settle down. Settle down what? Food? What
Yes,
we
sir,
eat
because
before?
the mixture, the flavor will mixed up, and we cannot enjoy the ice cream as we can enjoy it afterwards.
All right. Okay. That's great. So one last question. Is ice cream expensive in your country?
No, it's easily available. It ranges from 10 rupees to 100 rupees.
You're talking
Everyone,
about kulfi?
no,
All
sir.
right.
Sir, basically it depends upon every person.
Okay.
If I am talking about a child,
All
he
right.
can bought a kulfi as well.
Right, right. So that is also ice cream.
This is also ice
Okay, good job. Overall, fine. Keep it up. And you need to answer all the questions and try to speak at least 5 to 6 sentences. Very well. Good. Next one, please. Okay, let's start. Do you work or study?
Recently, I graduated. I'm studying, and after that, I have recently break after 1 to 2 months, and I recently interested to go abroad for higher education.
Okay.
And I got from international university and got more knowledge, and that's why I do.
Okay, so got is not correct for that. You need to use future tense. I will get more knowledge. I will improve my education. That's why I want to go to a foreign country. Now, let's go on. What's your favorite mode of transportation? Car, bus, train,
Most
aeroplane?
of I have traveling with my car on
I travel by car.
by car, and recently I have mostly enjoying time this I will go to my bike, and sometime I will go my car, and sometime I interested go with local transportations,
Okay.
And it depends on the situation.
All right.
So
Most important thing for you is to use the right tense. Now you're using future tense. And my question is in present. What is your favorite mode of transportation? So instead of saying I will go by car, you should say I use my car, I go by car, and I like car very much because it is very convenient. I can go anywhere within no time, something like that, okay? So focus tenses, right? Are you happy with the transport system of your hometown?
yep, of course, I have some of time I was not happy with the transportation systems, and most of time I have not satisfied with the local transportation system. Then I will go my
Again, I will go. You should say I go
some
or
tenses
I
are issue.
use my personal vehicle and all
Vehicles
that.
and car, and I can
Okay,
go.
all right, let's go on. Do you prefer to travel by train or by air?
I prefer travel by air.
I prefer to travel.
I prefer to travels by air, and because the travelings during the by air travelings are very so comfortable, and I feeling very enjoying, and so that's why.
Okay, I'm feeling very enjoying, grammatically wrong. So I would advise you to improve your tenses. Present indefinite
yes,
or present simple, past simple, future simple, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Most of your mistakes are related to tenses. And when I ask you a question, you should see what tense is my question in and then answer accordingly. Okay?
sir. Yeah.
Thank you.